Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to use Notion. So let's get started. Today, I'll give you a simple walkthrough of how to use Notion by explaining the main options you'll use to perform tasks inside the app. When you open Notion, everything starts with pages. You can create a new page using the plus new page button, and inside that page you'll use blocks. These are the building pieces of Notion. You can add text, headings, checklists, toggles, images, videos, and even embeds just by typing. One of Notion's most powerful features is databases. You can create tables, boards, calendars, lists, and timelines to track tasks, projects, goals, or anything else you want to organize. Each database item can also be opened as its own page, allowing you to store more detailed information. You also have the sidebar, which helps you navigate between pages, create folders, and keep your workspace organized. Notion also allows templates, which instantly set up ready-made layouts for planners, wikis, dashboards, or project systems. This saves a lot of time instead of building everything from scratch. You can also connect pages together with mentions and internal links, making your workspace feel structured and easy to navigate. And because everything syncs instantly, you can use Notion seamlessly across desktop, mobile, or browser. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.